the way that they are. Does this have to go inside before they get attached to it, and then they get attached from the inside?
The point was to get the hoses in.
We're gonna have to back that up.
Okay, back up. You gotta get it in the input control. Needs a handle.
It's in.
It's not in all the way yet.
I don't know the way, but it went into that. There you go. You know, this part has to be brought up. You see how it's sitting on the hole on the bottom?
No. I want to get some of the bolts. Just in case, I don't need anything. Where the blow-up bearing is. That's gotta go back. One last deal. I don't think that was the problem, but. Yeah, we're close. We just got to get our gap right. So now we're trying to get the input shaft into the pilot bearing.
Got the transmission in.
Yeah. It was tight.
So one thing we had to do was order a new starter because the one that was originally on here hit the edge of the bell housing.
Yeah, the automatic and manual transmission starters are not interchangeable. So if you're gonna do this, you need to count on buying a starter.
So you can see the edge of the hydraulic release bearing and then the fingers, and then you can see the gap between that, and that gap is good.
Should be 1.64. And let's see if our brand new high torque, high performance, 700 horsepower starter motor does the trick. Oh yeah.